Hello, DIVAKAR users. Welcome to this advanced course on machine learning for composite materials with Abacus. The entire course is graphically represented here. It includes three categories. One is developing a forward model and inverse algorithm, and third one is using them in a multi-scale framework to predict woven fabric composite problems. This is the content of this lesson. The first one is Introduction to Carbon Fiber Composites, how to predict the fiber properties. If it is not possible, what are the alternatives? Second is a brief introduction to Gaussian Process Regression, how to quantify the uncertainty. Third, we'll discuss how to generate the synthetic data, what is finite element homogenization, and what are the input parameters for the machine learning model, and how to train and test the data. In chapter 4, we'll discuss about what is inverse algorithm, how to predict the fiber probability zone or can't measure them. In chapter 5, we'll discuss or we will validate the GPR model or develop, and we see robustness of that model. In chapter 6, use the developed machine learning model in predicting other composite properties such as plain woven, trail woven, or satin woven composites. We'll see what are future predictions or how we can predict other properties or to where we can implement these machine learning models.